Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6a from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So coming to question number 8. Now over here, we have to use method of elimination by substitution. That is, we have to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x and substitute in the other equation. Okay, so first thing, we number the equations, but over here the equations have decimal numbers, so we try to avoid decimal numbers. What we'll do is we'll multiply the equation by suitable number. Okay, so let us consider this equation. 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. After decimal point there is one number. Over here also after decimal point one number. Over here भी decimal के बाद एक number है. So to remove one number we will multiply by 1 0, that is 10. Okay, so multiplying by 10. Had there been two numbers after decimal point, multiply by 100. Had there been three numbers, multiply by 1000. Okay, so जितना numbers है decimal के बाद उतना 0 से multiply करना है. Okay, so multiplying by 10 throughout. So we'll get 15x plus 1y is equal to 62. Okay, you can directly write this down or show the steps. 10 into 1.5x plus 10 into 0.1y is equal to 10 into 6.2. Then it will become this. Okay, now 1y is nothing but y. Okay, so I can say it is 15x plus y equal to 62. Let's number this as 1. Okay, now we'll number this. Similarly, we'll solve the other equation. Okay, so considering 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Over here decimal के बाद right में there is one number. Over here also after decimal point there is one number. So we'll multiply by 10 throughout. So we'll get 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 0.4, 4 हो जाएगा. And 11.2 into 10, 112. Okay. So let's number this as 2. We got two equations. Now after numbering, what do? Consider one of the two equations. So we'll be considering one of the two equations and express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Okay. Now out of the two equations, I'll be considering the first one. Why the first one? Because I've told you earlier also, if you see the coefficient 1, then consider that equation. So यहाँ पे y का coefficient 1 है, so let us consider that equation. Okay, it will become easy. So considering equation 1, it is 15x plus y is equal to 62. Now what we'll do? Y को as it is रखते हैं, 15x को shift कर देते हैं, so y is equal to 62 minus 15x. Okay, you can also express x in terms of y. Okay, so it will become x is equal to 62 minus y by 15. Okay, so you can do it that way also, but this is easier. Let's number this as 3. Okay, now what we'll do in next step? Substitute this in the other equation. Okay, दूसरे equation में substitute करेंगे. We had considered equation 1, we'll substitute in equation 2, not the same equation. Okay, so substituting equation 3 in equation 2. So substituting equation 3 in equation 2. So 30x minus 4y is equal to 112. In place of y, I can write 62 minus 15x. Okay, so 62 minus 15x, put brackets. Okay, so in place of y we wrote this is equal to 112. So 30x minus 4 into 62, 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, minus into minus gives plus 4 15s are 60 हो जाएगा, is equal to 112. So 30 plus 60, 90x is equal to 112 plus 248. Okay, so 90x is equal to 0 6 3. So x is equal to 360 by 90, 9 4s are. So x is equal to 4. Box the answer. We'll substitute this value in equation number 3. Okay, you can also substitute in 1 or 2. That is also correct method, but this would be easier. So substituting x equal to 4 in equation 3. So it is y minus 62 minus 15 x, that is 62 minus 15 into 4. So 62 minus 60 हो जाएगा. So 2. So y is equal to 2. Write down the final answer. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Okay. So don't forget to box the answers. Coming to question number 9. Now over here, if you look at the equations, are they in normal form? Normally it is given to us as something x plus something y is equal to some constant. Okay, some number. So it is not in this form. Even this is not in this form. So what we'll do, we'll first convert it to that form and then number the equations and then solve. Okay, so let us consider the first equation. Now over here we'll open the brackets first. So 2 into x हो जाएगा 2x minus 2 3s are 6 plus 3 into y 3y minus 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 2x plus 3y लिख लेते हैं पहले. And what about the numbers? Minus 6 minus 15. So both are negative, so you will add and the number will be negative. Okay, so 6 plus 15 gives 21. Shifting 21 on the other side. Now we have it in proper form. So number this as 1. Same thing we'll do over here. So 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y लिख लेते हैं पहले. Minus 5 minus 16 minus 21. So 5x plus 4y is equal to 21. Number this as 2. Now we'll consider either of the two equations and express x in terms of y or y in terms of x and substitute that value. Okay, so out of the two equations I'll be considering the first one. So considering equation 1, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. I'll express x in terms of y. You can express y in terms of x. Okay, so I'll keep x as it is. y वाले term को shift करते हैं. So 21 minus 3y. Shifting 2 on the other side, it will go in denominator. Okay, so x we have in terms of y. Okay, x का value मिल गया. Let's number this as 3. This we'll substitute in the other equation. Which equation did we consider? We considered first. So we'll substitute in second, not in the same equation. So substituting equation 3 in equation 2. Okay. Equation 2 क्या है? 5x plus 4y is equal to 21. So in place of x we'll write this. So 5 into 21 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. So we eliminated x. Okay. Now 5 into 21 minus 3y by 2, I can write it like this. Okay. plus 4y is equal to 21. Now let us take LCM, so multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so opening this over here, 5 into 21 हो जाएगा 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 minus 15y by 2 plus here it will become 8y by 2. Okay, multiplying and dividing by 2. Now the denominators are same, so 105 minus 15y plus 8y, the whole thing upon 2 I can write, is equal to 21. 8 minus 15, that is 15 minus 8 कितना होगा 7, but greater number is negative, so 105 minus 7y हो जाएगा. Okay, upon 2 is equal to 21. Shifting 2 on the other side, 105 minus 7y is equal to 21 into 2. So 105 minus 7y is equal to 42. Shifting 105 on the other side, 42 minus 105. Okay, so do 105 minus 42. Okay, so 63 मिल रहा है, but greater number is negative, so put negative sign. So minus 7y is equal to minus 63. Okay, so y का वैल्यू मिलेगा 9. So y is equal to minus 63 by minus 7. Okay, so don't cancel out minus minus, you actually never cancel out. Okay, minus ऊपर जाएगा तो minus into minus becomes plus. All right, so plus 63 by 7, or you can divide over here only, 7 9s are. Okay, so you will get y is equal to 9. Alright, we found the value of y. Now we need to find the value of x. So we'll substitute the value of 9 in equation number 3. You can substitute in 1 or 2 also. Okay, so substituting y equal to 9 in equation 3. So x is equal to 21 minus 3y होगा. Okay, from this equation. So 21 minus 3y by 2, so that is 21 minus 3 into 9 by 2. So 21 minus 9 3s are 27 by 2, so minus 6 by 2 हो जाएगा. So that gives minus 3. So final answer is x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 9. Alright. Coming to question number 10. Now over here if you look at both the equations, this is not something x plus something y is equal to some constant. Okay, there is 2x plus 1 the whole by 7, 5y minus 3 by 3. Okay, is equal to 12. So this is not in simplified manner. Even this is not in simplified manner. Let us simplify this. Let us bring it in the form something x plus something y is equal to constant. Okay, so let us consider equation 1. So 2x plus 1 by 7 है, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है. So 7 and 3 डिनोमिनेटर्स का फर्स्ट we'll take LCM. So LCM is 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21. So here we'll multiply and divide by 3. Here we'll multiply and divide by 7. Okay, so 2x plus 1 put brackets into 3 and यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर भी into 3. Here we'll multiply by 7 in both numerator and denominator. So 7 into 5y minus 3 by 7 into 3 is equal to 12. So we'll get 6x plus 3 by 21 plus 7 5s are 35y minus 7 3s are 21 upon 21. Okay, so 6x plus 3 plus 35y minus 21, the whole by 21 I can write is equal to 12. Okay, so shifting 21 on the other side, 6x plus 35y I'll write together and numbers we'll bring together. So 3 minus 21, 21 minus 3 क्या हो जाएगा 18 हो जाएगा, but greater number is negative. Okay, over here shifting 21 over here, ठीक है. So this will be 6x plus 35y minus 18 is equal to 12 into 21. So that will give 252. Okay, shifting 18 on the other side, 252 plus 18 कितना हो जाएगा, that will give 270. Okay, so I'm directly writing 270 because I don't have enough space. So 270. Now we have it in normal form, so number it. Okay, so this is equation 1. 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. Okay, coming to next equation. Over here 2 and 9 है denominator में, take LCM, it will be 18. So we have to multiply by 9 over here in both numerator and denominator, over here by 2. Alright, before that there is a negative sign over here, so put brackets. Okay, because the terms will change sign. Alright, so put brackets always. Over here also put brackets. So we'll be multiplied by 9 over here. So 9 into 3x plus 2, 9 into 2, and over here by 2. So 2 into 4y plus 3 upon 2 into 9 is equal to 13. So 9 3s are 27x plus 9 2s are 18 by 18 minus over here 2 4s are, for now I am not taking minus sign inside, I am just multiplying by 2. Okay, so I am putting brackets over here. Okay, so it will become 2 4s are 8y plus 2 3s are 6. Okay, the whole thing upon 80. Alright, so if you want you can take minus 2, then the brackets will open up, so both the terms will become negative. ठीक है, because minus 2 into plus 4 will give minus 8y and minus 2 into plus 3 will give minus 6, so it will become minus 8y minus 6. Alright, so that way you can do, but I am not taking minus inside for now. Alright, but once you change the sign, सिर्फ एक बार ही change करना है, double नहीं change करना है, twice नहीं करना है. Okay, so 27x plus 18 minus 8y plus 6, the whole thing upon 18, right? We got common denominator. Now let us open the brackets. So minus 8y minus 6, the whole thing upon 18 is equal to 13. Let's shift 18 on the other side. Okay, so 13 into 18 हो जाएगा. Over here we'll get 27x minus 8y and 18 minus 6, that will give 12. Over here 13 into 18, so 8 3s are 24, 5 हो जाएगा, 8 1, so 234. Okay, so 234. So 27x minus 8y, shifting 12 on the other side, 234 minus 12, so 27x minus 8y is equal to, this will give 222. We got it in normal form. So out of the two equations we'll consider one of them. Okay, after numbering the equations, the next step is considering one of the two equations. I'll be considering equation 1. So considering equation 1, so it is 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. Okay, now express x in terms of y or y in terms of x according to your choice. So I'll keep x as it is and I'll shift y on the other side. Okay, so I'm expressing x in terms of y. 6 को दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट करेंगे, so it will become 270 minus 35y by 6. Okay, so number this as 3. We got this from equation 1, so we'll substitute this in equation number 2. Okay, so substituting equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, equation 2 क्या है, 27x minus 8y is equal to 2, 2, 2. Okay, in place of x we'll write this. So 27 into 270 minus 35y, the whole thing by 6 minus 8y is equal to 222. Okay, now I can say it is 27 into 270 minus 35y, the whole thing upon 6. Okay, minus 8y is equal to 222. So this will be 3 9s are 3, 2s are, I can cancel out. Okay, this is outside the bracket and this term is alone, there is no plus or minus sign, there is no other term with it. Okay, so I can cancel out. So this will become 9 into 270 minus 35y by 2. Let's take LCM. यहाँ पे we'll multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so we'll get same denominator. So 8 2s are 16 by 2. Okay, so this will become 0, 9 7s are 63, 9 2s are 18 plus 6, so that will become 24. Okay, minus 9 into 35, so 9 5s are 45. Okay, and 9 3s are 27 plus 4, 31 y by 2 minus 16y, the whole thing I can write by 2. Okay, ये by 2 है, ये by 2 है, this is the reason we took LCM, so we can take common 2. So we have 2430 minus 315 minus 16, so add both of them but the answer will be negative. Okay, so this will give 331y and shifting 2 on the other side, so 222 into 2. Okay, so 2430 minus 331y is equal to 444. So shifting this also over here, or you can shift this over here and 331y को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. Either ways, okay, you will still get correct answer. So subtracting this, so 2430 minus 444, so that will give 6. This will become 12 minus 4, 8. Over here this will become 13 minus 4, that is 9, and here 1. 1986 is the answer. So 1986 is equal to 331y. So shifting 331 on the other side, so it should be 331 into 6. Let's see. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. Yes, so 331 into 6. So y क्या मिल रहा है, 6 मिल रहा है. So we got y as 6. I'll be substituting that in equation number 3. You can also substitute in 1 or 2, okay, depending on your choice. So substituting y equal to 6 in equation number 3. So it is x equal to 270 minus 35y by 6. So that is 270 minus 35 into 6 by 6. So that will give 270 minus 6 5s are 30 and 6 3s are 18 plus 3, that will give 21. So this will give you 60 divided by 6, so 6 10s are, so x क्या मिल रहा है, 10. So write down the final answer. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. Okay, moving on to next question, question number 11. Over here first equation is in normal form. Okay, something x plus something y is equal to constant. So let's number this. But the second one, it is not in normal form. इसको shift करते हैं दूसरी जगह पे. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, right? So number this as 2. All right. Now from the two equations, consider either of them. Okay. So I'll be considering equation 2 for now. So considering equation 2. So it is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Okay. Express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Okay. So this time let's express y in terms of x. All right. Y को as it is रखते हैं, x को shift कर देते हैं. But the thing would be, अगर मैं y को यहाँ पे रख रही हूँ तो negative y मिल रहा है. Okay. So instead x को ही as it is रखते हैं and y को shift कर देते हैं. Okay. So 2x is equal to minus 10 plus 3y. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 3y by 2. Okay. So why I shifted? Because if I keep y as it is, तो x को shift किया तो क्या मिल जाएगा? minus 10 minus 2x. So this will be y is equal to minus 10 minus 2x by minus 3. Okay. So this is more confusing rather than this. All right. You can do it this way also. All right. But make sure that you shift minus 3 on the other side and you don't take minus y is equal to this. All right. You have to be very careful because then minus y is equal to this. All right. Not y but minus y. So be very, very careful while you are solving. Okay. Be very careful with signs. Let's number this as 3. Which equation did we consider? 2. So किस में substitute करेंगे? 1 में करेंगे. In the other equation. So substituting equation 3 in equation 1. ठीक है? So equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So in place of x we'll write this. So 3 into minus 10 plus 3y by 2 plus 2y is equal to 11. So that will be 3 into minus 10 plus 3y, the whole thing upon 2. I can write it like this. Okay. इसको न्यूमरेटर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. ओके. सो ओवर हियर लेट्स टेक एलसीएम. ओके. सो डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है तो यहाँ पे भी 2 लेके आते हैं. सो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 2. So 2 into 2y by 2. So this will give minus 30 plus 9y upon 2. Over here 4y by 2. So now we have same denominator. You can take common denominator now. So minus 30, 9 plus 4, 13y. And shifting 2 on the other side, 11 into 2, 22. Okay. So shifting this also on the other side, 13y is equal to 22 plus 30. So 13y is equal to 52. Y is equal to 4. Okay. I have not shown the steps. Please show the steps. Y will be equal to 52 by 13, then cancel out and you will get y is equal to 4. Okay. So box this. And now we'll substitute this in equation number 3. You can substitute in 1 or 2 also. Okay. So substituting y equal to 4 in equation number 3. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 3y by 2. So y क्या है? 4 है. So 3 into 4, the whole thing by 2. So it is minus 10 plus 12 by 2. So 12 minus 10 हो जाएगा 2. So x is equal to 1. Final answer will be x is 1, y is 4. Okay. If you want, you can also substitute value of y in this equation. You will still get correct answer. Okay. So as long as you are following the correct method, you will get correct answer. Be very, very careful with signs. Okay. Coming to question number 12. Now over here, we have something x plus something y plus constant equal to 0. In standard form it is given. Okay, same thing for the other equation, but normally we write it as something x plus something y and the constant is on the other side, it is in RHS. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, constant को RHS में ही shift कर देते हैं. Okay, for both the equations. So that is why I left space over here. This will become 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Number this as 1 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Number this as 2. Okay. Now consider either of the two equations. So let us consider equation 1. Considering equation 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Okay. So over here you can express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. I'll be expressing x in terms of y. y नेगेटिव है. ओके, सो उसको यहाँ पे रखने से अच्छा उसको शिफ्ट कर दो. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6 प्लस 3y. सो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6 प्लस 3y बाई 2. Number this as 3. We considered equation 1. So we'll substitute this in equation 2. So substituting equation 3 in equation 2. So equation 2 क्या है, 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. In place of x we'll substitute this. So 2 into minus 6 plus 3y by 2 plus 3y is equal to 18. So I can rewrite this as 2 into this. We'll multiply 2 with numerator only, not with denominator. Okay, so minus 6 plus 3y, this whole thing into 2 divided by 2. 2 क्या हो जाएगा, cancel हो जाएगा. You can cancel here itself. Okay, plus 3y is equal to 18. We could cancel 2 because this is outside the bracket. Over here in denominator also with 2 there is no other term. Okay, it is not 2 plus something minus something. Okay, only 2 is there, so you can cancel out. So we'll get minus 6 plus 3y is equal to 18. So 6y is equal to 18 plus 6, shifting this over here. So we'll get 24. So 24 by 6, y is equal to 4. Substituting this in equation number 3, you can substitute in 1 or 2 also, or in either of the two equations originally given to you. You will still get correct answer. Okay. So substituting y equal to 4 in equation 3. So equation 3 क्या है, minus 6 plus 3y by 2. So minus 6 plus 3 into y is 4 by 2. So minus 6 plus 12 by 2. So 6 by 2. Okay, 12 minus 6, 6 हो जाएगा. So this is 2 3s are, x is 3. So final answer will be x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Don't forget to write down the final answer. Next question, question number 13. Now if you check both the equations, we have fractions over here. Okay, x के साथ 3 by 2, y के साथ 5 by 3, same thing over here, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So what we'll do, we'll try to remove the fractions. Okay, we try not to keep fractions in linear equations. So what we'll do, यहाँ पे we'll take LCM. Okay, so let's shift constant in the RHS. Constant हमेशा RHS में ही रखते हैं. So ये constant term को यहाँ पे shift कर देंगे and we'll solve this part. So 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so LCM में what you will do, you will multiply and divide by 3 over here and multiply and divide by 2 over here. Other way is 3x into 3, put the sign in between, 5y into 2 and then multiply the denominators 2 into 3. Okay, so I call this crisscross method. So पहले criss करेंगे, okay, 3x into 3, then put the sign in between, cross 5y into 2, and then multiply the denominators. Okay, so this will give 9x minus 10y by 2 3s are 6, that is equal to minus 2. So 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6 minus 12 हो जाएगा. Okay, so I can number this as equation 1. This is solved. Okay, now same thing we'll do over here. Okay, constant already shifted है यहाँ पे, लेकिन it is in mixed fraction form. So let's bring it in normal fraction form. एंड ओवर योर क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड करेंगे. यू कैन यूज LCM मेथड, इट्स वन एंड द सेम. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 2, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 3. ओके, सो 2 इंटू एक्स क्रिस, पुट द साइन इन बिटवीन, क्रॉस, एंड देन द डिनोमिनेटर्स. सो क्रिस प्लस क्रॉस एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर्स. ओवर योर 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, and then you write down the denominator. Okay, so this will become 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 into 13 by 6, 6 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Number this as equation 2. Okay, now we'll consider either of the two equations and express y in terms of x or x in terms of y and substitute. Now it's very easy. We have two equations, we have numbered the equations. Next step, we'll consider either of the two equations. So let us consider equation number 2. Okay, you can also consider equation 1 depending on your choice. Considering equation 2, so we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now this time let us express y in terms of x. ठीक है, so y को as it is रखते हैं, x को shift कर देंगे. y I want alone, not with some number, so let's shift 3 on the other side, so it will go in denominator. We got y in terms of x. This we'll substitute in the other equation. We considered equation 2, so we'll substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so substituting equation 3 in equation 1. 1 है 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So in place of y we'll substitute this, so y will get eliminated. Okay, we'll get x only. All right, now 10 सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर में ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा, डिनोमिनेटर के साथ नहीं मल्टीप्लाई होता है. So I can write it as 10 into 13 minus 2x, the whole thing divided by 3. So हो जाएगा 9x minus 10 into 13 minus 2x, the whole divided by 3 is equal to minus 12. Now I'll take LCM. Okay, so multiply and divide by 3 over here. So 3 into 9 हो जाएगा 27 divided by 3, minus 10 into 13 हो जाएगा 130, and minus into minus plus 10 2s are 20, x divided by 3 equal to minus 12. I can take common denominator, so 27x minus 130 plus 20x, the whole thing upon 3 is equal to minus 12. So 27x plus 20x gives 47x minus 130, shifting 3 on the other side, minus 12 into 3. Okay, that will give minus 36. So minus 130 हो जाएगा plus 130 minus 36. Okay, so 47x is equal to, this will give ये हो जाएगा 130 minus 36, so this will become 94, right? So we will get 94 upon 47, that is x is equal to 2 मिलेगा. Okay, all right. Now we'll substitute this in equation number 3. You can substitute in 1 or 2 also. Okay, you will still get correct answer. So substituting x equal to 2 in equation 3, we'll get y is equal to 13 minus 2x upon 3, that is y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 upon 3. So it is 13 minus 2 2s are 4 upon 3. This will give you 9 and this is 3. So the final answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay. Next question, question number 14. Now over here again the equations are having fractions. Okay. So x के साथ 1/6 है, यहाँ पे 1/15, यहाँ पे 1/3, यहाँ पे 1/12. So what we need to do? We need to remove the fractions. Okay, और यहाँ पे भी mixed fraction है. So we need to simplify this first and then we'll number the equations and solve. So considering the first equation for now, over here 6 and 15 are in denominator. So we are going to take LCM. So 6 and 15 का LCM 2 3s are, okay. I can divide this by 2, this I cannot divide, so keep this as it is. ठीक है. Now both are divisible by 3, let's divide by 3. 3 1s are and यहाँ पे 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now this one we got as 1, so this one will remain as it is. यहाँ पे अभी तक 1 नहीं मिला है, so I need to divide by 5 to get 1. So 5, this one will remain as it is, 1s are. Now we got 1 1, so these are the factors. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 6 को किस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So multiply by 5 in both numerator and denominator. यहाँ पे 15 है, so 15 को किस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे to get 30? You will multiply by 2, so 2 into y by 2 into 15 is equal to 4. So 5x by 30 plus 2y by 30 is equal to 4. We can take common denominator now. Shifting 30 on the other side. So 30 into 4 हो जाएगा. So we get 120. Number this as 1. Now we have it in nominal form. Okay. Something x plus something y is equal to constant number. Same thing we have to get over here. So 3 and 12 है, इसका LCM तो बहुत easy है. Okay. You just need to make this 12. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. Still, if you want to know how to take LCM, 3 and 12 लिखो. I can divide by 3. 3 1s are and 3, this is also divisible by 3. 3 4s are. यहाँ पे 1 मिल गया, यहाँ पे नहीं मिला है. So divide this by 4. Now we got 1 1. ये factors हो गया. 3 4s are 12. This is already 12. I just need to make this 12. So multiplying by 4 in both numerator and denominator. So 4 into x by 4 into 3 minus y by 12 is equal to, यहाँ पे mixed fraction है, 4 4s are 16 plus 3. So 19 divided by 4. Okay. यहाँ पे 4x upon 12 minus y by 12 is equal to 19 by 4. So here we will get 4x minus y by 12 is equal to 19 by 4. Shifting 12 on the other side, 4x minus y, this will go in numerator, right? 4 3s are. So 4x minus y is equal to 19 into 3. So we'll get 57. Okay. Number this as 2. Now we'll consider either of the two equations and express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Now we have got both the equations. If you look at second equation, यहाँ पे y has coefficient 1. So I've told you, if you're getting coefficient 1, then consider that equation. Okay, it becomes easier to solve. So we'll be considering second equation. Okay, so considering equation 2, it is 4x minus y equals to 57. Okay, now whenever the coefficient is 1, उसको हम लोग एक जगह ही रखते हैं and बाकी सब कुछ शिफ्ट करते हैं. Okay, so y यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है. To make it positive, let us shift this over here and 57 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. So 4x minus 57 this will become, okay, and y will become positive. Okay, so 4x minus 57 is equal to y. In other words, y is equal to 4x minus 57. Okay, number this as 3. You could have considered 1. X या y को you can express in terms of the other variable. Alright, that is also correct method. That would be a little more tricky method compared to this because यहाँ पे कोई fraction नहीं मिल रहा है. Okay, so this is the reason I tell you कि coefficient 1 मिल रहा है, तो consider that equation and वो variable को you will keep as it is, shift the terms on the other side. Okay, this was a rare case where we are getting negative y, so y को ही shift कर दिया and rest of the terms on the other side. Okay, now we'll substitute this in the other equation. So हम लोग ने 2 consider किया था, we'll substitute in 1. Okay, so substituting equation 3 in equation 1. So 1 is 5x plus 2y equals to 120. In place of y, we'll substitute this. So 5x plus 2 into y is 4x minus 57 is equal to 120. So 5x, opening the brackets, 8x हो जाएगा minus 57 into 2. So we'll get 114 is equal to 120. Alright. So 13x is equal to 120 plus 114. Okay. So 13x is equal to 234. Okay, so x is equal to 234 upon 13. now 3 है लास्ट में, यहाँ पे 4 है. 3 into how much gives you लास्ट में 4. Okay, just check it that way mathematically. 3 into something will give you at the end 4. 3 8s are 24. So 13 8s are you getting 234? No, it will not be 234. So 13 into 18 करके देखते हैं. Okay, so 13 into 18. So 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 8 and 1. So that will give you 234. Yes. So x is equal to 18. Now we'll substitute this in equation number 3. You can also substitute in 1 or 2. Okay. Substituting x equal to 18 in equation 3. So y is equal to 4x minus 57. So y will be 4 into 18 minus 57. So that will become 8 4s are 32, 72 minus 57. Sorry, I don't remember the tables. Okay, so I need to calculate. So we'll get 15. Okay, so x is 18 and y is 15. Write down the final answer. All right.